Hi guys, I'm Kim with La-Z-Boy of Orlando, and today we're going to talk about those squeaks that happen sometimes in our recliners. So today I brought my expert, Reggie. He's a 20-year service veteran, and Reggie's going to help us find those squeaks and fix them, right?
We sure are.
All right, let's go. First thing we got to do is we got to turn the chair over so we can find where those squeaks are coming from. So Reggie, where do most squeaks come from?
Most squeaks in my 20+ years of experience comes from your rocker springs and usually your rocker base against your rocker block. We will use a lubricant spray, never use WD-40.
Why not?
Because WD-40 attracts dust
Ew.
and build up and dries out your spring, so you never want to use WD-40.
Good to know.
So we will use a silicone-based spray. And we will start by spraying in between where your rocker spring coils turn into your metal of your rocker springs here. So you just take a little bit of lubricant, spray there and there, usually both sides.
Do I need to worry about the spray getting anywhere else in the chair?
Your spray will not hurt your chair, so just give it a little spray here and there, and that typically takes care of the noise in the rocker springs.
Well, that's pretty easy. Do I need to shake it in or anything, rub it down?
If you got a good lubricant spray, it'll work its way down inside
All
the
by
spring.
itself.
All by itself.
Awesome.
And like I say, some noise comes from your rocker base against your rocker block. So we use a wax, a liquid wax.
So a liquid wax is what you bring to the house if you come?
If I come, I usually carry a liquid wax.
Okay.
You can use a household candle.
Really?
You would have to require a little rubbing, a little elbow grease, but you want to typically tilt your base up as much as you can.
Okay.
Apply a little bit of wax on your rocker base.
All right.
And push it back and apply a little bit in the front.
Well, that seems pretty easy for you, but if I'm gonna use a candle, do I need to like light it and melt it down a little bit, or?
You can, or you just rub it really hard.
Nice and hard.
And apply some wax, and that'll control that friction between the wood on your base and quiet it down for you.
So what you're saying is, I don't need you to come to my house, I can do it.
You can do it yourself at home.
Perfect.
All righty.
Well, that's all for today's episode. See you next time.